Hey guys, and welcome back to How Logical. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to make a file or a folder available offline in Dropbox for your desktop. Now let us begin. Do note that in order to do that, what you guys have to do is install the Dropbox application for your desktop. In case you don't know how to, we have created a tutorial regarding that as well. Now I'm simply gonna open up the File Explorer. Well, this right here is the File Explorer, and on the left hand side you can see the Dropbox icon. I'm just gonna click on it, and this right here is my Dropbox, which has been synced to my desktop. And let's just say I want to make all of these files available offline. Well, for starters, I'm simply gonna select all of them and simply right click, and right here there's a button like this that says Dropbox. I'm simply gonna hover over it. Do note that this is Windows 11. And right here, next to this Dropbox setting, you can see something like transfer a copy or make available offline. Well, we do want to make all of these files available offline, so I'm gonna click on the second option. And guys, that is it. It's quite easy to make a file or folder available offline for your desktop using Dropbox. That's the gist of it, guys. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.